You're watching Closing Bell on the world leader in business news, CNBC.
Joining us now is Susan Chana Lask. She is a class action attorney representing plaintiffs who are suing Sanofi-Aventis, the manufacturer of Ambien. Ms. Lask, it's a pleasure to have you with us. And first, I just want to get a sense of what it is that your clients are alleging Ambien has done to disrupt their lives.
Hi, how are you? Ambien has put people into a zombie-like state. I call them Ambien zombies, actually, and they take it and forget everything. They have no memory whatsoever of raiding the refrigerators, eating raw eggs, uncooked rice, mounds of food found in their mouths in the morning and their spouses having to shovel it out of their mouths. There's a lot of people that have been behind the wheel, find themselves arrested the next morning, have no memory of anything that occurred. So the memory loss is the worst part. People do things for 7 hours at a time and they don't know what they're doing.
Ms. Lask, this is Mike Huckman. Can you explain, please, in layman's terms, what it is in the mechanism of this drug, the way that it works, that would possibly make people in the middle of the night get up, raid their refrigerator, and then have absolutely no memory of it when they're surrounded by candy wrappers in their bed the next morning of what happened?
Mike, I'm not a pharmacologist, although I have spoken to many. And what they explained to me in baby terms that I could tell you is it's a very powerful drug that attacks the cerebellum, deep in the cerebellum, which is the nervous system of your brain and your spinal system, and it just knocks people out. It's almost, one pharmacologist compared it to a date rape type drug, but basically I couldn't tell you the exact ingredient, why it does it, but it hits your brain in a certain spot that just knocks people out. It's a very powerful knockout, hypnotic drug, they call it.
Ms. Lask, I want to just ask you, looking here at the actual filing, you've got 4 clients named here. How big is the class that you're seeking coverage for, and do you have a sense right now of what specific damage amount you're going to ask for?
The class is as many people that are coming forward now. Thank God for the 4 people that we filed the action to start this, because people are coming out in numbers with emails, letters, and phone calls to my office in the last few days since we filed this. And so far I've spoken to about 50 people just on my own. Damage-wise, our main concern really, and the class members have told me this, is they just want people to know the danger of this, and they want the warnings out there, that it can cause sleepwalking, it can cause
So you're not
sleeping.
asking for money as of yet?
And whatever damages that the people have suffered, they should be compensated, which means some people have, actually one of the plaintiffs has GRD, stomach problems, as a result of eating these raw foods.
So Ms. Lask, you're saying that all you really want is for the FDA to add some warnings onto the label of Ambien?
Actually, that's the primary concern, and then secondary, yes, Ambien should pay these people any damages they suffered as a result of taking this drug without having a warning that this could happen. But mainly, it's very important that it stops right now, and there's a warning out there, yes.
Susan, we do appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining both of us.
Thank you.